We are to express the ratio 200 grams is to 3 kilograms in the simplest form. First, we are going to start by converting 3 kilograms to grams. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 3 kilograms will be more. 3 kilograms will simply be equal to 3 times 1000 grams, which gives us 3000 grams. Therefore, 200 grams is to 3 kilograms will simply be equal to 200 grams is to 3000 grams. Now you will see they both have the same units. Now we are going to express the ratio in the fractional form. This will give us 200 grams all over 3000 grams. Now we are going to carry out simplifications. The units will go off, the grams will strike off, the 2 zeros at the numerator will strike off the 2 zeros at the denominator. We'll be left with 2 over 30. 2 will go into 2 1, 2 will go into 30 15 times. This will simply be equal to 1 all over 15 in the fractional form. Next, we are going to express 1 over 15 in the fractional form as a ratio. This will give us 1 is to 15. Therefore, 200 grams is to 3 kilograms in the simplest form is 1 is to 15. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.